Birds love brush piles. In addition to feeding the birds in your garden, make a brush pile for them. Birds love brush piles. These messy heaps of branches and twigs and leaves offer the following benefits for them. Winter refuge. During the harsh winter months, brush piles can offer much needed insulation from the biting cold. Smaller birds can huddle together within the pile, sharing body heat and conserving precious energy. Shelter and security. Brush piles provide a safe haven from predators like hawks and owls. This tangled mess conceals birds from preying eyes, giving them a place to rest and relax without fear. Nesting sites. Many bird species, such as wrens and sparrows and chickadees, readily build their nests within the cozy confines of a brush pile. This foliage provides dense protection from the elements and keeps predators at bay. And they provide a food source. Brush piles are teeming with tasty treats for insectivores like kinglets and woodpeckers. Hidden amongst the leaves and branches are a bounty of insects and spiders and other invertebrates, offering a tasty treat for nutritious birds. Create a brush pile to attract more birds to your garden. Just gather up some dead branches and twigs and leaves and pile them in a sunny spot. Be sure to avoid using treated wood or thorny plants, as these can harm the birds.